Hey there, folks. We're talking rational, integers, whole, and natural numbers today, which is basically your real numbers. The graphic in front of you, what we're looking at is a circle within a circle within a circle within a circle, right? So the explanation for this is that natural numbers are numbers that you can count. Think of 1, 2, 3. If you had peanut M&Ms laid out in front of you, you could count them. Whole numbers, a little bit different. That includes 0. They just want to make sure that's a differentiation because that's not whole. A 0 isn't something you can count necessarily, like laying out 0 peanut M&Ms in front of you. You've had nothing. Integers, again, separate. That's usually what we think of when we think of negative numbers. That's integers, as you can kind of see here. And then we have rational numbers, which are fractions, decimals, things like that, parts of a whole. And you can research all the why they call it rational, why they call it integers. That's not the point of the video. We're just looking at knowing that there are 4 different types in this large group of real numbers. And then there's the irrational numbers, which you don't necessarily have to worry about other than knowing that it exists and that the reason what it is are decimals or fractions that are non-repeating decimals. Okay, so think of pi. That's the symbol right here. Goes on. I think there's a supercomputer that went out to like the 10 millionth decimal point or something like that. Crazy. A few years ago. Again, why do we need to know this? Well, basically, it's just important that we have information at our fingertips, that we know that these numbers exist. There is a difference between them, and being able to talk about the difference. Do we have to memorize what an integer is? No, but it's good to know that it includes negative numbers. Do we need to know that fractions are included in the rational numbers? Not necessarily, but it is helpful as far as knowing that there is a difference and what those differences are. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.